Hey everyone, let's make some boiled corn. So I'm about to make Trini style, Caribbean style boiled corn. I'm going to season up this corn really well. So I washed the corn. It was already peeled. I peeled it in the store. I washed it and I broke it in half. And now I am starting to season it up. So right now I'm grating in a few cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to throw in some thyme, a few sprigs of thyme, and some scallion or green onions. Now I'm throwing in a hot pepper. And now I'm putting in some coconut milk. You can use fresh coconut for this if you like. I am using a canned coconut, one whole can of coconut milk. It is equally the same. Fresh is always better, but it tastes really well anyway with the can. I'm putting in a piece of butter. I also put in a little salt to taste. You can adjust it to see the amount of salt that you like. And then I'm going to put in some Creole seasoning. I'm going to put in some black pepper. And I'm putting in a piece of, well, this is a frozen cube of shadow benny or bandania or culantro. It's known by different names. I'm putting in a little sprinkle of sugar. This is optional. I just like my corn to have a little sweetness to it. So I put a little sugar. You don't have to do that part. So right now I just mix everything up and I'm going to let this come up to a boil. Now I boil my corn for about 30 minutes. The typical amount of time that you boil corn for is probably about 15 minutes, but I boil mine for an extra 15 minutes. I just like my corn to be a lot on the softer side. That's also optional. So right now I'm just stirring it, and once this is boiled for the 30 minutes, it is ready. And that's it. That's your boiled corn. You enjoy your corn with whatever you eating it with, whatever food. I had mine with some mashed potatoes and some chicken. And you can eat this with, just like that as a snack. And here is the nice coconut corn. You seeing all the specks of the seasoning on there, and you seeing the little coconut milk on there. I mean, this corn was really good. So God bless. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.